Hello, guys. Good afternoon. It's 12 o'clock already, and we have seen that the entire Bank Nifty are actually moving sideways and huge volatility between certain levels. So let's just look at Nifty, and I was actually expecting a good movement in Nifty since it was actually showing very good volume and as well as momentum since morning. But after that, around 11 o'clock, it is completely sideways. So what we can do is Nifty. I don't think we want to take a trade in Nifty. Please avoid trading in Nifty for today. It is not really looking bullish or bearish. It is mostly sideways unless we see some kind of momentum after 2 o'clock, 2:30. Probably, based on the trend, if FIIs are coming into sell or DIIs are coming into buy, we might look out for short covering or on the sell side. Okay. So, but apart from that, I am not seeing any entry in Nifty at all. So I would normally avoid trading in Nifty today. But let's check Bank Nifty. Based on how there was an RBI news yesterday and it has been factored into, as I said yesterday, it might be a gap down as well. So today you have seen that it is completely a gap down situation, but it was respecting the level that we have drawn here. Look at this, which is around 34,663. And most of the times, though it was actually breaking out our levels, it was never sustaining above this. And I clearly explained yesterday that after breaking out, we should look for a price action. So if it were to go take a retest here, we would have taken an entry here. But otherwise, there was no entry in Bank Nifty. So currently, even if you see something like this, it is trying to make a flag and pole pattern, but it is not an exact one, though we need to still look out for some other price action. So what is going to be our take for now? So currently, every time when you see lot of fake breakouts. You see there is a fake breakout here, and again you are looking at a fake breakout here also, and then earlier in the morning there was a fake breakout here. So there are multiple fake breakouts, so don't get trapped by multiple fake breakouts. And most of the times today, only option sellers are going to make money. Whoever is taking a straddle or long short straddles, they will be making money today. But for buyers, we shall look for an opportunity to trade. We shall not take an immediate entry at all. So what we are going to do, wait for this level 34,850 level to break out and then take a price action, please. Without a retest, do not take a trade here, because there was a fake breakout and there can be a similar situation here as well. So we shall not take that risk. So even if it is breaking out, please wait for the retest and then only take an entry after the breakout and the retest is broken. For example, if it is taking a retest here, something like this, wait for that, let it come down and take an entry here once it takes a retest. Otherwise, do not take an entry. Even if it suddenly moves up, do not take a trade. We can immediately avoid the trade. Do not take it, because it is completely playing sideways, and moreover the premiums are melting very, very heavily. So it is not a great idea to hold on to these trades every time. Now, how are we going to plan for a new trade here on the upper side? Yes, as I said, please wait for this breakout and also retest, take an entry, go with the target of 34,962 on the upper side. However, but on the downside, there are two things that you would need to consider. One, if you actually look at, there is also a psychological support that is expected here. Though it has been breaking out on the downside here, it was not sustaining at the bottom. So probably what I am expecting is, if this particular zone is broken properly and taking a retest here, we can go short. We can go short here, go with this target. However, we would wait for a price action, only then take an entry here on the downside. But if it is breaking on the downside here, 34,663, and directly we can go with the target of 34,284 on the downside. This is going to be my final target for today. But otherwise, it is not going to be very easy trade for us. Don't be trapped by any of these patterns that you see. Sometimes you would see, head and shoulder pattern, something like this here, or sometimes it is like a W pattern, sometimes it is like a flag and pole. Now you see something like a head and shoulder pattern here. So most of the times there are very good patterns that are forming, but there was no good price action breakout that is happening. So please look out for some price action and also good breakouts after the retest only, and then take a trade. Without any confirmation, do not enter into any new trades. Okay, and as I said yesterday's, Dr. Reddy's has been performing good. You look at this. Dr. Reddy's has given us a, though it has given us a gap down situation, but it has shot up drastically, and it is giving us handsome profit today. So hope you are booking profits in Dr. Reddy's and also Bank Nifty. Yesterday we have given a put option in a premium group, and then we're able to book profits. I mean, not everyone has taken this trade, but whoever has taken, they should be in profit. But otherwise, avoid whoever has not taken. But today, please play carefully with the levels. Without a level, please do not trade and lose capital. Okay. Thank you so much. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the content like this, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and you have a great day ahead.